Good morning, children. Now we are going to see chapter 3, management by objectives. That is, in short form, we are using the term MBO. And then management by exceptions. In short form, MBE. Right. Shall we see the topic? See, listen, before we start, I give one synopsis. That is, what are the topics in this video contain. Okay. Meanings, definitions, objectives, features, process. Right. First, we will see the meanings. See, listen, children. What is that MBO? That is, some organization objective based management process is going on, right? That kind of the organization is called MBO. It is also we consider as a system. So that's why again I'm saying, listen carefully. Management by objective is a management system in which each member of the organization effectively participates and involved himself, right? So this MBO system creates, here it creates, it in the sense MBO creates self-control, right, and motivates the manager into action before somebody tells his to do something. Now you understand the meaning, I know. So next we will see the definition, right? See here, the establishment of effective standards. So every MBO concern, first they want to establish the effective standards, right? According to these standards, they want to fix the periodic convention of time. That time may be either vertically or horizontally, but the timeline, that vertical line or horizontal line may be fixed with the future planning. This is how Professor Redin defined about the MBO. Once again, we will see the definition. Listen carefully. The establishment of effective standards for managerial position and the periodic conversion of those into measurable time bound objectives linked vertically and horizontally and with future planning, according to Professor Redin. Next we are going to see the objectives. So everybody, you know the meaning MBO, that is objective based management. That is that which organization objective based management running. In that organization, that MBO system, what are the objectives it has? Now we will see totally we have 5 objectives in the MBO. So objectives, that is, you know that what is that? Goal. Okay. Now shall we see the objectives? First, that every MBO, they want to measure and judge performance of the employee. Okay. So second one, that MBO relate to the individual performance to the organizational goals. The individual performance, here I refer the employee's performance. That employee performance we want to relate to the organizational goal. This is the second objective of the MBO. And then every MBO, next we want to clarify that expectation, that particular organization's expectation, how much, accomplishment, how much it completed. So this both the terms, right? Both the terms, that particular organization they want to clarify. So that's why I am given here to clarify both the job to be done and the expectations of accomplishment. This that organization they want to clarify. Next, fourth objective of MBO, to enhance communication between superior and subordinate. Enhance, that is in the sense increase, right? So that MBO, they want to give the concentration to the communication part. The communication should be increased between the superior and the subordinates. And this is the foremost important objective. And the next one, last one, to stimulate the subordinates motivation. Stimulate, that is induce, that MBO to stimulate the subordinates through the motivation function, right? These are the five important functions of MBO. Next one, features. Features, that is in the sense qualities. What are the features that MBO is having, right? Here again I mentioned five features. First we will see the first feature. MBO tries to combine the long run goals of organization with the short run goals. So every organization, they are having the long run goal. That long run goal is connected to the short run goals. Okay, that MBO want to tries to combine that both the goal. And then second one, to relates to organization goals with the society goals. Yeah, every business we are linked with the society. So we want to give the concentration to the society goal area also. So that every MBO, they want to give the more concentration to the organization goal and the society goal. That both the goals that MBO want to relate. And then third one, MBO emphasize. Emphasize in the sense stressed. Okay. Compel. The MBO emphasis is not only on goals. The MBO is not only give the concentration in the goals but also on the effective performance. Right. And then fourth one, it pays constant attention to refining. So the MBO give more concentration to the refining and then modifying and improving their goals. So the MBO give more concentration to this area. If any needed, they want to change, refine the principle, or they want to modify the principle, or they want to improve through towards the achieve the goal. So in that area, they want to give more constant attention. And then last features, it in the sense MBO increase the organizational capability of achieving goals to at all levels. So MBO in the organizational capability of achieving goals at all levels, they want to, what is that, increase the capability. So these are the features of MBO. Next we are going to see the MBO process or functions. Both the one is the same term, right? Now shall we see the functions. What are the functions are done by the MBO? First one, defining organizational objectives, right? So every organization, initially organizational objectives are framed by the top level employees of an organization. Then it moves downwards, right? That alone I am here mentioned. Every organization, first they want to fix the long-term objectives are framed. Then after that, the definition of organizational objectives states why the business is started and exists. So every MBO, first they want to give this area, okay, give the importance to this area, why that particular business is started and exists. So according to that, we want to frame the long-term objective. So the defining organizational objective is the first and foremost function of MBO. Next, second one, goals of each section, right? Objectives for each section, department or division are framed on the basis of overall objective of the organization. So that MBO give more concentration to all the section. So goals are objective, both the one is the same, should be expressed in a meaningful manner in all section. This is the second function. Third one, fixing key result area. Key result area in the sense we want the MBO want to give more concentration in that particular area. So here key result area indicates the strength of an organization, right? So I give certain example. What are the area is a key result area, profitability area, market location, standing area, and then we want every product we want to do innovatively. So innovation area. These are the areas are called fixing key result area. So in this areas that every MBO they want to give more concentration, then alone they can easily reach that particular goal. And then fourth one, setting subordinate objectives or targets, right? So the objectives of each subordinate or individual are fixed. It is preferable to fix the objectives at a lower level in quantitative units. So there should be, listen carefully, there should be free and frank discussion between superior and subordinates. So that MBO, what is that? They want to do the frank discussion between the superior and subordinates. That also they want to, what is that? Have the one of the function. And the next one, fifth, matching resource with objectives. So in that MBO they want to give the concentration in that what are the resources available in that organization. From that resources they want to connect, they want to match the with the objectives, right? So the objectives are framed on the basis of availability resources. Availability resources in the sense, already we saw that what are the resources, men, material, machine, right? Money. So these are the resources how much available, that all the one we want to connect and match to the objectives. So that's why here I mentioned. Next, the available resources should be properly allocated and utilized in that particular organization. This is the fifth function. And then last, sixth one, periodical review meeting, right? So every organization, so every MBO, they want to conduct certain periodical review meeting. Periodical, that is in the sense, either weekly once or monthly once or 15 days once or quarterly, halfly or annually. So they want to conduct periodical review meeting. Through this meeting, they can identify the defects. So that's for that purpose we want to conduct the periodical review meeting. The superior should hold periodical review meeting. Here superior in the sense that particular management they want to conduct the periodical review meeting. Through this meeting they want to analyze that all the process. And then seventh one, appraisal of activities. Appraisals in the sense evaluate. So through that meeting, next level we want to, what is that? Appraise that all the activities. The superior should take corrective action, right? The superior first identify the reason. Okay, in that particular process, if any failure, they want to, what is that? Appraise that process of achieving. Why they want to appraise? Because they want to achieving the objective. And then last function of MBO, reappraisal of objectives, right? Why the organization they want to reappraise? In case in that particular process, if any defect is arises, immediately they want to change that. Okay, so that's why we are saying an organization is a part of dynamic world, right? So these are the 8 functions of MBO. So I hope you understand that. Again, one time I recall that all the headings, meanings, definition, objectives, features, and then MBO functions. Thank you, children.